Yo, what's up? Hold on real quick. Hold on real quick. I said, hold on real quick. All right, what you had said?
Today.
What? On Nas? I'm still bullish. I'll pull back. Hold on. I'll pull back into 22 160 for buys. If not, then no position. 22 180. Either that or a pull back into 22 250 for buys. Pull back to 22 250. Yeah, I like that one better. But buying up here is buying this high is kind of crazy. But I do like buy. I do like buy mine at a 22 250. If we get a pullback there, I'll take that buy. To be honest. Fuck. Fuck, bro. Oh no, yeah, good.
I don't even know what to look for.
I'm gonna do some right now to my pairs.
You saw what?
I'm gonna do my rundowns of my pairs like I normally do.
You
All
saw with
right,
your parents?
bro. Is my mic low over there, bro?
Yeah.
Hold on.
So I could turn you up.
Mic check. Mic check. No, my shit not low. He's fine.
Say something.
Mic check.
I can't hear you now.
Um, so I'm doing right now on my pairs, like top down analysis and all that kind of stuff. That's what I'm gonna do. So looking at gold, I took a gold trade last night during Asian session. I got fucking clapped barely, bro. I got wigged out for the trade or in my direction. It's kind of disappointing, bro. I would have passed that 50K challenge off of this trade, to be honest. But I got stopped out. No big deal. I want to take another gold trade below 3317, bro. Give me this break and retest with the project below. We do got news at 10 a.m. today, so watch out for that. Hopefully that news can give us a break below this level. And on that pullback, after news start to die back out, I'll look to take some sales off of this 3317 area to fill in the rest of the range to that 3296 support level all the way down here. It's clean traffic looking left. Do have a minor level sitting right here at 300 flat, 3,300 flat. So there's a minor psychological level right over there as price previously rejected this area. So want to be mindful of that if I get these sales. Other than that, I don't want to take buys on gold. 1 hour is aggressively bearish. 4 hour is aggressively bearish for the big fat ass doji candle wick, rejection wick, and a massive bearish engulfing. So I do see gold definitely continuing down. I wouldn't want to buy gold until we at least come back above 3344 in this area. So buys above here. Other than that, strictly looking for sells. That's gold. Look at that GBP AUD. That's the pair I traded yesterday.
Loki might take the gold shorts unopened.
I'm looking at the GBP AUD, the pair I traded yesterday. Let's redo this chart. Delete everything without the position. Daily time frame overall bullish. We have a new higher high right over here as we break above this level of higher low and lower high, but we still are rejecting off of this resistance level here. So we're in between this high and this low. This is the daily range. Looking on a 4-hour time frame, we are still bullish. We didn't have a real retracement yet. This is a minor retracement. If we do make a new high off of this, let's adjust this. We do make a new high off of this retracement right over here. This will confirm this to be a higher low, but technically this is still not a higher low yet because the push off of this zone did not make a new high. So we are bullish on the 4-hour aggressively. I want to mark off this level and this level to mark off just that range, and I want to identify this range as well. So these are the zones I'm looking at. Let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. According to the 1-hour time frame, we are indeed bearish. I'm gonna say the 1 hour is bearish just because we took out this low. Actually, 1 hour is bullish. Took out this higher low, took out this higher low, created a new lower low. Then another reversal pattern here as price give it this break and retest with a massive bullish engulfing. We are bullish. We're creating clear higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low. Still haven't broken below this low. So our 1 hour is still bullish as long as we trade above this range here. And this is where I got in that during London session yesterday. This is where I got in that during London session, New York. Not New York session. Not London session, New York. I mean, this is where I got in that during New York. Look at the price to retest these highs. But this trade is already gone. I'm out of this trade. I'm not in the trade anymore. So I got out at a 1-to-1. This is the now new range that GA's in. I don't want to trade inside this range anymore. For my next trade idea, I need price to break above this for buys continuations. As far as sells, I don't want to sell at all because the 4 hour and the daily is definitely still aggressive. So if we start to break below these lows down here, I'll just wait to take buys at a better price, or buys off of this level or buys off of this level, depending on how deep this 4 hour actually wants to retrace. If it rejects off of this point of the fib or reject off of this 0.70 of the fib. That's GA. So I'm gonna unmark that because we might not get a trade on that today at all. And let's go down to GJ. Looking at G-Day, this is what I was waiting for yesterday, for price to break above these lower highs here. Again, price just consolidated the whole fucking day, literally. All London session, all New York session, all the way to the next day, we fucking consolidated inside this price range. Now the price finally gave us a breakout of the range, printing a new high. We didn't really get a pullback to get a trade off of this break and retest. So now we're making a new high in this area. We could potentially see a pullback down here for a continuation. But the problem with that is I don't want to buy right into this level of resistance. Looking left. If I can fucking find it, bro. Okay, looking left off of GJ. We have our next potential rejection zone sitting right up here. So actually, I will be open to taking this. So if we get a pullback here in the rejection to continue up, or pullback here in the rejection to continue up, I'll be open to taking either of those buy opportunities. Other than that, I don't want to sell unless price goes bearish on the 4 hour time frame, and that happens below 196.830. If we break below here, I'll open to take some sells. This is a nice, massive, clean range to trade. Looking at all these clean candles, Look at the left. Price action to even trade down to this 194 100 area. I really like this buy side and this sell side on GJ. Both of those look clean. Let's keep going. AUD USD. So we get another week. We got some sales on AUD USD all the way up here. Really nice sales. These sales eventually got taken out. Price went bullish here. As you can see, we made aggressive new higher high. It's broke above all of these lower highs right over here. Haven't had a real retracement yet. So our 4 hour is aggressively bullish. Our daily is in a retracement phase of a bearish market. So our daily is bearish, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bullish. Well, I daily want to take more buys than sells just because I have more time frame to me to buy to take to sell. So I don't want to sell below here because selling below here would be counter trend. So if price do break below this support, we can see price coming down into this next level for potential buying opportunities in this area. If not, I will wait to just see a breakout of the current range to continue higher to the top of our new range. Very, very, very simple. That's AUD/USD. NZD/USD, same kind of idea. Either buy as we break out this range, or buy if price break below the range and reject off of this area. So that is the same. USD JPY. Okay, let's redo this chart. Looking at USD JPY on a daily time frame, we are overall still bullish. We are just in a retracement phase of a bullish market. This impulse push up went above these lower highs here. What's good, Chef? Welcome to the stream, gang. Did you take any trades during the session? Let me know. But we did have aggressive buys up, and now we're having a pullback of this overall impulse move on daily time frame. So daily is bullish. Looking on the 4 hour time frame, we are, I want to say bearish on the 4 hour. This is why I want to say we bearish on the 4 hour, because this retracement on that daily time frame broke below this higher low here. As you can see, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's a push up. We now broke below that level. So we are in a bullish retracement on a 4 hour bearish trend. And we can look for price to come back into this 4 hour fib level. All right. Looking on the 1 hour time frame, again, we are aggressively bearish on 1 hour as well. Actually, we are bullish on 1 hour. Reason being, we had some equal lows here, a lower high. Price formed this range. We had a breakout to the upside as price broke above this range. Then never got a real pullback just yet. So the 1 hour is bullish. So there is a gap in between these time frame bias. Our daily is bullish. Our 4 hour is bearish. Our 1 hour is bullish. So because there's a gap in between, though the 4 hour is bearish while the other two time frames are indeed bullish, I need to first wait for the 1 hour to go bearish alongside the 4 hour. And I need that to happen up here. So I need price to come back, pull back into this 46.300 area, 46.400 area, create some kind of higher high, higher low, higher high, then shift bearish. On that bearish shift is when I could potentially take some sales. If we just aggressively pull back into this area, I won't be able to execute there, because if a move is too aggressive and you try to fade it, 9 times out of 10, you will get clapped. So you need price to slow down first as it's approaching the area before you decide to take a reversal trade. So if I want to catch this reversal, I need 1 hour to show me structure first. As you can see, this 1 hour has no structure. So until we see structure, no trade. So that's likely not going to happen today. Looking on GBP USD, it's our next pair. Let's clean my chart up. Looking at the daily time frame, we're overall bullish. We make a new high just now. So bullish on the daily time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're aggressively bullish as well. We are in between this new high and this low, which is creating this overall massive range. We had some equal lows here in the 4 hour time frame. This is where we decided to go bullish. We had a breakout above this level of resistance with no real retracement for a retest. So we could potentially take some buys as price pull back into this area, which is definitely not happening today. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we are still bullish, but we are about to go bearish if price trades below this 135,900 area. We could have some counter trend sells to overall fade that 4 hour retracement, and me taking that is definitely situational. But there is a counter trend sell opportunity as price break below this 1 hour level, but the real trade will be at this 135,100 area. We're going to actually favor that and add it to the top because everything is already look like it started, and I might not get a trade. I will be open to take this counter trend trade on GU. Looking, already did GA, already did AU, already did NZD/USD, already did that. EU. So let's get into EU's trade idea. Yeah, EU on a daily time frame, similar to GU, overall bullish in between this high and this low of a bullish market. Looking on the 4 hour time frame, we are still bullish. Price made the same equal lows it did on GU. Had an aggressive breakout and over retest, so same idea. But if price pull back into this area, and optional counter trend trade sells if we break below these level of support, and this is the top of the overall range. Literally same exact setup for GU is happening on EU. Damn. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thanks. Looking at GBP CHF. Daily time frame. Overall bearish. We have a aggressive push down, taking out these lows. So we're bearish. We're in between this high and this low on a daily. Let's look at the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is in a nasty range of consolidation. Do I want to trade this consolidation? Fuck no. So I'm not even going to do the rest of this breakdown. I already know I'm not trading in that range. There's no way I'm taking that. So fuck that. EU EJ daily time frame overall aggressively bullish, no retracement. 4 hour time frame, we're in between this high and this potential higher low. Right over here. And we're going to mark off the most recent higher low, which is all the way down here. Confirmed. So daily aggressively bullish, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bullish as well. Price, actually the 1 hour is not really bullish. These are 50 EMA. So 50 EMA say 1 hour is bullish. I want to say it's bullish, but I don't want to say it's bullish at the same time. The reason why I want to say it's bullish is because it looked like we had a price slow down at this level of support, then like a reversal form. But I don't want to say it's bullish because there's no real lower high here that actually shifts the structure. So I'm going to go with the 1 hour is not bullish. That's what I'm going to stick with. Even though we're above the 50 EMA and we have aggressive push up, we're still not bullish. I want to say we go bullish is as price breaks above this lower high here. Then we'll go bullish, and then we could have this kind of break and retest for a continuation of the bullish momentum above this 169,250 area. If I don't know, whenever you see a dotted line on my chart as far as the arrow, it's to let you know that that is a risky position. You see a solid line as an arrow, that is for a pro trend trade setup idea. Other than that, as far as sales, I wouldn't want to sell EJ until we come back down below this 167,800 area, which is all the way down here. That will be approaching as those time frames are going bearish. So just a little recap. Gold is my favorite pair right now. Other than that, we have potential setup on GU for a counter trade or approaching trade with GJ. Those are my top 3 for today, and that's it. Ooh.
These last kids piss me off, bro.
Oh, I actually like US 30 buys as well. US 30 looks clean. Well, it actually doesn't look too clean, but it looks like it has some potential here. Buys around 4.2, 43,000. We're tapping into that area right now, but it needs some kind of structure in that 5 minute time frame. If this is retest is too aggressive, then some counter trend sales could be below 42,975. But my top one pair for today is this gold trade. I'm mad I got took it out during Asian session. It actually pisses me off because I would be up so nice right now. I got gold sales at 3326 area, and now price has dropped 145 pips since that area, which low-key pisses me off that I took that loss. But let's wait for this hourly candle close on gold. See if we close below this support at 3314. You good, Ennis? Good morning, bro.
This shit blowing me right now.
You took a trade?
No, like why is NQ just bumping, bro? I'm in gold short. Like NQ just there's no need for this pump.
Yeah, that shit flying.
NQ coming down right now, though, a little bit. This should blow me right now.
It's news at 10 o'clock, right? I think Paul speaking or some shit. Yeah.
Yep, we're about to see. I'm about to just get out these trades. Because it be happening like early as well. I'm just get out this. I don't even care. I secure some little profits. I'm just waiting until the hopefully it's trash news. I want market to drop. I don't even care. I want rates cuts to go up. Can we stop? You mind if I play it, or is it gonna be loud in your stream?
You can play it, I don't care. I want to take these buys low key on G. Low key, I want to take this bitch. Low key. Only
Oh,
problem is I don't want to take it 15 minutes before news, but I want to take this bitch so bad. This 1 hour bullish engulfing just looks so good. I wait to after news first though. I do want to take that buy though. Let me know if the music's too loud in the chat. Alright, bet. I'm hungry as shit. I can go to the store real quick and be back for the 10 o'clock.
Now the Naz wants to dump. Dick eating, dick eating, dick eating.
This nigga got the most power. He's the most powerful nigga in the world, bro. This nigga run the whole markets. I'm listening to him right now as I'm watching the chart. I'm trying to see what he's saying. You want to pay attention to what he's saying, bro. This nigga got the power to make the market fall or pop. This shit is really serious, y'all. This shit is not a game. Hey, number 4, blitz style, please. Number 4, blitz style, please.
Hi guys, my name is Ashley, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to.
What was something to eat real quick? I'm hungry, bro. We'll go get a banana or something.
You said what?
We'll go get something to eat real quick.
I thought you went to the store.
No. I go to the store, but I don't feel like it.
See if he's on ready. Can you even hear the video? What? They lying. Hold up. Shit, shorts looking. Hold on, let me see.
Get us something too.
Damn,
I
that's.
got you a pack of cigarettes.
So what? And look at this dump. That's $1 million dump.
Come on that, Nas.
Nah, Tesla.
Uh,
What the hell is he talking about? Yo, can you hear my stream? Can you hear the video?
nah.
You said nah?
Nah.
Good, you can not. Just think you're just speaking, bro. Naked what?
I never watched his speech in my life as far as trading stuff.
Nah, not him. It's like the speech didn't even happen yet. It's this guy.
Yo, bro, it's all fine. 18-year-old man, by the way.
Hey, we rock the way.
Wait, hello? Hello? Yo? What the fuck?
You need to get your ass.
Niggas can't hear nothing.
Yo, you gotta get your ass. Ew. Yo, this shit sounds trash.
What's good? Yup. Yo. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
If you would shut up, we can hear it. Oh, it just tapped in my order block. I didn't even realize.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, what's taking go so long? Can you get me with closure
yeah, I'm
here?
not trading your no, I'll just leave it. Won't even matter.
What about on board this one? That's just trash, yes. Wait.
My check. All right. That's better. What is this? We got a nice closure on a 1 hour time frame. Can we get a 1 minute pullback? 1 minute pullback. One minute pullback right here. Just give me 1 minute pullback right here. Can we please get a 1 minute pullback? Hello, go 1 minute pullback, please. Question mark.
Yeah, Ray. Yeah, Ray.
Oh, you want me to listen to a whole stream if I just talk like this? Let's be honest. Or does she get annoying? Or matter of fact, what do I want this one? Hold on.
Like, would I be able to sit through a whole stream if I could talk like this the whole entire time? I did wait for this gold to give some pullback on this moment time frame to show us some bullish momentum, pretty clear high highs, high lows. Once we see that, we'll take an entry as the woman is shut and structured to go back bearish alongside the 1 hour, 4 hour already being bearish.
Or this one maybe. As you see on gold, on this 1 minute time frame, we have a one minute bullish engulfing. So hopefully this bullish engulfing could come up, take out this high here, and we could use this low as an entry point for a trend continuation to the downside alongside the 1 hour, 4 hour already being bearish. But we did have news at 10 a.m. and this, let's see how this what kind of reaction we get off of this level. Might check back regular. I can barely understand what you're saying. I might need some hot sauce, bro. If I need some duck sauce, I don't even know hot sauce. I need some duck sauce, man. All right, so price is breaking above this high here in the 1 minute time frame. So I do like sales as we come back down and re-break this low. I want to set a sell stop here. Damn, that's a big ass stop loss though, bro. Fuck. Oh my god, it's pissed me off. With this kind of sell stop, my stop loss would have to be above the 1 hour candle. And that's all the way up here. I think not that bad. It's 100 pips. So 100 pips I lost. It's rounded to 110, bro. $110 pip stop loss. Okay, now it's not making too much sense. Our TP1 will be here for roughly a 1-to-1. And then we can look to close at the support level down here. Something like this. Actually, we're not doing that. No. Let's adjust this. Let's just go 100 flat, bro. Fuck the extra 10 pips.
Oh, I gotta take a shit.
Hey, 100 flat right above the high. Cool. And we could adjust the entry a little bit, because I don't, now that it's pulling back this deep, like I'm also just use the previous 1 hour wake. I'm also just use this entry. Right. Like, why not? No, we go with the first entry. Fix, sell, stop. Not thinking yet. It's situational. Sometimes I do market orders. Sometimes I do pending orders. So situation right now, this is a pending order because I'm using 1 minute time frame. It was a 5. If it was like if I'm waiting for a candlestick closure, then I would use a market order. But because I'm not waiting for a closure and I'm just looking at a breakout to drive with momentum, being that we just had news, it's a pending order. So if I'm waiting for a closure, I use a market order. If I'm trying to take a breakout with volume, I would do pending order. This chicken wrap is fucking busting right now. What's good, Suki? Welcome to the stream, bro. My first time seeing you in here. What's good, bro? Introduce yourself, gang. Let me get a bottle of water real quick. I just fucked this chicken wrap up. I'm not gonna chicken wrap with bust. Got a new educational YouTube video dropping today, chat. Gonna be some beginner level education, but you know what I'm saying, I gotta talk to the beginners. But new YouTube video dropping today. What kind of educational videos y'all want to see in the chat though, for future references? It could be beginner, it could be intermediate, it could be advanced, it could be price action, it could be anything, bro. It could be sniper entries. So when a price action video like explaining like how I draw my levels, I could do a video like that. I don't think I did a video like that in a long time. If this 1 hour candlestick close as a bullish engulfing, I'm gonna delete the sell stop. Yeah, how do you choose a stop loss? Okay, but I could do that video for next week. That's cool. My educational video is gonna be every Wednesday. Every Wednesday is gonna be like a different educational video. Because I took this gold loss here on this first loss, this trade is going to be a recovery style trade to recover this loss and some profits. But I want to take it one more trade. So if I lose this next trade, like, I'm done for the day. So I've got to be precise about what trade I actually want to take. You like anything besides gold? Besides gold, I like GJ for bars in this area or this area, and GU for bars down here. And I like this kind of trend opportunity for sales. This buy idea I have right here, like it already started, so I kind of missed this one. And I don't want to FOMO in knowing that it already started. That's really it. This is the trade from yesterday that we got during the New York session. Everything else looks too far. Like it's hard. Trading. It's hard to trade markets like this when you have too much volume. Like too much volume. We have aggressive. Like for me at least, for scalpers is better. It's good for scalpers because they trading within these smaller ranges. But I'm not trading in these smaller ranges. So whenever you have an aggression like this, I need to see healthy retracements before I take more trades on that pair. So like, because this push was so aggressive, I need to see some kind of healthy retracement. I don't think this was a healthy retracement. This is not deep enough for me. So I need to see my retracement come down here. Same thing with AU. Like this push was too big. I need this to get filled in at least halfway. So I need a healthy retracement down here, something like that. AU is pretty clean. Like see AU for example, even though we had this aggressive push here, this was a healthy retracement because it had minor retracement in between. So it had this minor retracement, and then a healthy retracement. AU, there was no minor retracements at all. It was just straight bullish. This is the first retracement. GA or the GA. AU, again, straight bullish, no, not even minor retracements, straight bullish. So I need to see a healthy retracement. NZDUSD, no minor retracements on the way up either. So again, need to see a healthy retracement. UJ, no minor retracements on the way down. So I need to see a healthy retracement. EU, no minor retracements on the way up. So I need to see a healthy retracement. So it's hard trading markets like this. Well, it's not hard. It just take more patience because everything is already, all the moves have already started. Like way back. Like same thing with gold. When I was looking at gold yesterday, I wanted to sell gold, but I was looking at gold like somewhere over here, but I needed to see a healthy retracement before I got the sell off. As you can see, no, it was somewhere down here. I wanted to see a healthy retracement up into here before I got the sell off. Again, it kept going down without a healthy retracement. So now we finally got a healthy retracement, and that's where I decided to take the gold sell. So everything really needs healthy retracements. So trading anything right now is really risky to me because the retracement can happen at any given moment because it's being told that the pushes was so aggressive. Same thing with NAS 100. Look at the NAS 100, aggressive buy side. No, we got a minor pullback right here, but no real healthy retracements. So I would need like a healthy retracement into this level or something like that. It's not even going to help. It's not even healthy retracement. This is like a minor retracement, but it is the previous 1 hour high. Or this will be the healthy retracement as we come back into this area because we did break above these highs here, never got retested. So we could get this will be a healthy retracement. This will be a minor retracement idea. I do have to adjust the stop loss though, because technically this stop loss already got hit even though I'm not in. So I have to adjust this to where it makes sense. So my stop loss has to be above these highs now. It should be 112 pips. I don't do 112 pips I lost, so I'll round it up to 115. No, this will be on the stop loss. But these suggestions here look nice. I like these wicks on this 5-minute time frame. I like these wicks overall. I don't like this bullish engulfing here in the 15-minute though. But it's just kind of sick.
What are you trading right now?
Not enough yet. I'm waiting to get in gold. Just 1 hour candlestick can flip bearish. That'll be perfect.
You're looking for gold sells.
Yeah. This generation is cooked.
You saw what?
This generation is fucking cooked. This bitch argued with some nigga on Instagram. Some nigga she used to fuck with, whatever. And to get back at the nigga, she posted a picture of the nigga eating her pussy. Like, what?
Yeah.
Why do you think you won that engagement right there? Like, what? That level of delusion is crazy. What made you think that that was a good idea?
You know it's crazy. Like, they be posting that, but then, like, what's the point? Like, you acting like there's a problem with that. If there is a problem, then the problem's you.
Like, bitch, you lost. What the fuck? Generation cooked, man. I should have been born in the 60s. Shit, I will learn right now though.
So what?
Oh, I'm talking to somebody in chat. I would just be.
Yeah, of course, Price always do that dumb shit, bro. Niggas stop me out, then it goes my direction. Like, what the hell?
I'll just be learning it in my 40s. Shit, I could have been learning in my 30s, bro. No, I would have been learning in like my 40s. Bro. Damn, 60s. I'd be old as shit right now. I'm lying. I should have been born in 60s. I should have been born in like the 80s, bro. Yeah, the 80s. Well, did I be 30 something? 89. I should have been more like 89, 88, some shit like that.
That market odd candle, bro. That news odd candle.
And you was born in the 90s, chef? I keep saying chef. I mean, chief. Why the fuck do I keep saying chef? You born in the 90s, chief? And I should have been born right with you, gang. This generation now, nigga, this shit. Torch. Torch. Torch.
Powell and Trump is speaking.
So I wouldn't want to take this GJ buy because this 5 minute is not taking out structure to the downside first, unless we take this low. If we take this low, then I'll be open to taking buys. As far as GU, man, I'm mad. I'm mad I didn't get this, bro. Low key salty I didn't get this. With this 5-minute closure here, that's low key kind of salty. And gold look like we might not get this sell off here, to be honest. It just keeps ripping up, bro. It just keeps ripping up. If I want to sell, why do you want to keep ripping up, bro? Oh wait, we got a new idea. We got a new idea. All right, so look, check this out. I can get a potential entry, the same area I entered that during Asian session with this break and retest. So my break and retest from Asian session was based off of this wick here.
Oh,
My break and retest. Hold on.
yo,
Hold on real quick, Max. Hold on. My break and retest yesterday, well, during Asian session was this week here. I anticipate this week to hold. If I started to push back down, I got to sell as a 5-minute shift bearish around this area. I also love the high. I looked to target the lows. I was a little bit premature, a little bit too early on this trade. The move didn't happen until London session. So if I would have waited till London session and went live, I would have actually got this trade. The reason why I took it during Asian session before I went to sleep is because I knew I was about to go to sleep. And I knew the sales could play out and I didn't want to miss the sales. So I said, fuck it, I'm just going to take it right now a little bit prematurely and go to sleep, and whatever happens, happens. That was that idea. Didn't play out, whatever. But now looking at it, we have equal highs and higher low where I entered that yesterday. Level of support right over here. Looking at see if this level can hold as resistance. So with that, I gotta look left to see how this level hold at previous price action. So we have resistance level here. We have a fake out here. We have more support, resistance, more fake outs in this area.
yo, chef.
Resistance, support, rejection. These is a lot of rejections off of this area. Just listen to this is a high. This is a strong level. So maybe this sell opportunity is a little bit premature. We could delete this sell stop and wait for a deeper retracement back into this area. And let's see how this lines up with the Fed. You have a higher high. Let's have a high, a higher low, a higher high. A shift in direction to go bearish. Draw our Fed from the high to the low of a push. And what do we know? This rejection, this support level, well, resistance level, lines up with a Fibonacci retracement level. So we can have sales in this area getting me a better entry instead of sales in this area, and we can use this area as our new target at the bottom of the range as this range is starting to form. So still bearish bias, but instead I'm waiting for this high to get taken out, which is already done. And then I need to see this price action, then get a trade like this. So I like this plan. This is the new plan. We can retest for this area now. Yo.
Yo, you took a trade?
That trade during the Asian before I went to sleep. The gold sell.
That shit hit?
They just took me out first.
So you down?
On the day, yeah. And on that 100K, I'd lost 1%. But
Yo, why does that always happen?
what?
When you when you get a new account, whenever you get a new account and you be like hype about it, you always start off with the L, bro. Everyone.
I think that loss was just like that loss. I think that loss because that trade was premature. I really took the. Normally, I'll wake up for pre-London to trade London, but because I didn't go to sleep that whole day, I was about to go to sleep during pre-London. So I went to sleep at like 12 or something like that. So we was coming into pre-London like 12:45 or some shit. We was coming into pre-London, but I knew the sell opportunity was there, and I didn't want to miss it during London, knowing I was going to sleep. So my idea in my head was like, I'm just gonna take it now and fuck it. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. But I don't want to miss a sell opportunity, knowing that the sell could happen. The sell didn't happen until actually London opened at 3 a.m.
You could have made it to 3.
No, I was tired as fuck. Like literally, as soon as I laid down, I was knocked out immediately. I'll probably play one game of chess before I fell asleep. I'll fall asleep mid-game because I always play chess before I go to sleep. But if I would have just stuck to my normal schedule and went to sleep and then woke up for London, I wouldn't have lost this trade. And the sell for London gave me the same entry. It just created equal highs, and then on them equal highs, 5-minute internal structure shift to go bearish. Stop loss would have been relatively the same. Entry would have been relatively the same as well. So I got the same entry. Stop loss would have just been slightly bigger. Then I would have avoided a loss. But I was too early on that trade. But I wait for some more gold sales off of the same area. So it's prices pulled back to that area where I entered that yet. Or Asia. It's pulled back to that area right now. So I'm waiting to sell there again. Then that'll be my only
soon?
Yeah, soon. It's like a couple points, like a couple pips away from that area. 25.
But why,
30,
but why are
30
you so
pips?
bearish on gold?
Because gold dropped hard as fuck. What you mean? Gold been selling off
But I'm
since.
saying, why you...
Because gold been selling off since Monday. Well, why would I want to buy something that's been selling off since Monday?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm literally just asking.
Yeah, why am I so bearish? I'm telling you why I'm so bearish. I'm so bearish because we've been selling since Monday. So I just want to keep going with the momentum.
So you think that shit hit a standstill?
No, I just think it's just in
That shit
the.
hit a war?
I think it's just in a bullish retracement of an overall bearish push, and I'm anticipating that this bullish retracement is over for a bearish continuation. That's what I'm trying to get a bearish continuation.
You think it's just gonna cheat? So you bearish like for gold now? Like,
Yeah.
It's the structure.
Yeah. The daily is technically still bullish, but the daily is still bullish, but so the daily made a new high, and now the daily had a deep retracement. This deep retracement on a daily time frame retraced more than 80% of the move. Like it literally retraced the whole entire move, almost 100%. Actually, it retraced 100% of the move. It just didn't close below. So the daily has a lot of potential to flip bearish and daily will be bearish, but the 4 hour and 1 hour is definitely already aggressively bearish. And with this kind of aggression, I'm anticipating that the daily will go bearish as well, because the bearish momentum is just so strong on the 4 hour and 1 hour. If it was slower, then the daily probably wouldn't flip, but because the aggression is just so Like this drops happen so fast to let me know that the daily could probably flip bearish. But other than that, yeah, I'm definitely looking at sells on gold overall. In order for me to buy, I need to, like, I wouldn't buy nowhere near current price.
Yo,
What's up, Moy?
more. Yes, sir.
That's not Moy?
Nah.
Oh, shit. Sound like
Yeah,
Moy.
that sounded just like boy.
Oh,
that
God, it sound
sounded
like
just
Moy,
like-
bro. It's BSN, though. It's
The
BSN.
hell?
This is good. Well, what happened with Moore? The nigga texted me last night and shit. What happened with him?
Yeah.
He was trying to put niggas on to Alpha, some proper called Alpha Trader, having free 100K accounts. But it's not really free.
They still doing it?
I think so. Basically,
It's free, but it's not really free.
yeah, basically you take the 100K challenge, and then if you pass the challenge, you pay at the end after you pass instead of paying beforehand.
If you don't pass, you good.
Yeah, if you don't pay, but you only get one a month. You only get to do one free challenge a month.
How much is it if you pass?
$650.
Damn. The fuck? $650?
That's what I said.
It low key don't make sense because that prop firm do offer instant funding, where it's no phase, but you get instant funding. So, and they offer instant funding for 100K, and it's only 500. So why would I pay 650 after pass the challenge and get funding if I could just pay 500 with no challenge at all?
Right. Yeah, that don't make no sense. I would not do that. If I did that, even if I passed that shit, I'm not paying that $650.
But if they didn't offer the instant funding and they did have just a 650 option, like pay after you pass, like, I would do that because that's a little high. But nigga, I gotta see the like how fast you can request a withdrawal because literally off that 650, if you could request a withdrawal immediately or like if they don't got a minimum profit withdrawal, and you could just withdraw 1%. All I gotta do is take one trade, wait the 14 days, and get a payout. Don't take another trade for the next 14 days. You get the payout, and then you made back the 650 in an addition 400.
Right. Yeah, that makes sense. If they like take profit where they do the daily payouts and shit, that'll probably be cool.
Even if they didn't do the daily payout, nigga, I would take one trade, hit a 1-to-1, easy, be up a rack or whatever, and then for that 14, like if the pay period is bi-weekly, I just wouldn't take a trade in the next 14 days and wait till the payout come. Then I was trading regularly. That way I already made my 650 back. Then I was just trading like a regular account.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That's still a lot though. I ain't gonna lie. 650.
Yeah, 650 is a good amount. I ain't gonna lie. You could get a straight to funded with Traderfy 150K for like 500 or less. Y'all take any trades today?
I got cooked on some gold sales. I'm waiting for some more gold sales right now.
The NQ show was probably the play earlier, but I missed that shit. I just woke up, man. I woke up. It's the first day like ever I woke up past 10 o'clock. I don't know what the fuck was going on.
I think I woke up at like 8. But
Bro, I never wake up this late. But I ain't take no trade. This shit look choppy anyways. NQ look mad choppy. Max, you still got the XFAs?
Yeah.
You got a payout yet, nigga?
Nah, I'm training mad slow.
What's your risk on that? How many contracts you trade?
Three contracts, risk 150.
Oh yeah, that's cool. You know, 1 or 2, you gonna hit that 300 for sure.
Yeah. I just don't need to rush it, bro. I'm just doing it like little by little.
Yeah, you taking like 1, 2 trades per day type shit.
Yeah, two max, 3 max, bro. 3 max, bro. Like I just don't need, bro. My thing is just like I don't need to trade that shit fast. Like I don't need to rush for a payout. Like I don't need to do that.
Nah. That's how you blow that shit.
Cause then you put like you put mad pressure on yourself that wasn't needed. So now you're not even trading like right, bro. Not even trading like to make money instead of like the trades and shit.
Oh yeah. That's real. That's the type shit happened to me. I gotta get my SFAs back. Do all my shit.
Especially with like futures. If it was 4x, that's different, bro. You could with 4x, you could risk like 500 and be alright. Cause the drawdown is more. Well, bro, the futures drawdown is trash, nigga. That shit, you only get 2 bands for 50K.
Oh,
Come on, bro.
You on Roblox?
Yeah.
I thought you found them. They was probably over here too, somewhere.
All right, I might have to call it right here, man. I wanted to break and retest of this area for price to continue down. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, our break and retest have no structure. So we got the breakout, we got the retest, but the retest is too aggressive with no clear high highs and high lows. I was looking for this kind of formation to, as price came to rally up into this area, because this overall push happened at one time with no clear structure. It's not giving me an entry for actual retest. I could scale down to the 1-minute time frame and then look to sell below this level, but this has no significance to the overall 1 hour time frame at this price point here. Selling below here wouldn't be the best idea. The 1 hour candle will still be bullish. There's no significance and confluence at that level for those 2 time frames. So instead, I think I'm just gonna call it right here. I don't want to trade inside this range anymore because there was no structure going back into that retest. If we had structure, I could have traded that, but because it doesn't, I'd rather not. And we're gonna look, see what the market got for us tomorrow. Ended up taking a loss on a day. My first red day in like past, I don't know, 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. My first red day in total. Now I took losses in that 3 weeks time span, but all of them days I ended the day in the green from taking a recovery trade, or at least break even. But it's your boy Traderholic chat. I'm gonna call it right here. Peace.
You're not getting those gold sales?
Nah, there's no structure on that pullback, so I'd rather not take it. I don't feel like sitting right here no more either, so just come back tomorrow, bro.